Hi all, welcome back. So we finished Karnaroga's part 1. In that we dealt with Nidana classification and Lakshanas of Karna Shula, right? So Karna Shula in Ashtanga Hridaya 5 types you learn. Vadaja Karna Shula, Pittaja, Kafaja, Rektaja and Sanipadaja. And in Susra Samhita altogether mentioned as one, it is Karna Shula. But while we go through the treatment in Ashtanga and Susra Samhita, Acharya mentioned separately for Vadaja Karnashula, Pittaja Karnashula, Kafaja Karnashula, like that. So today we will learn about Karnashula Chigilsa. Okay. So in that first one, Vadaja Karnashula Chigilsa. कर्णशूले पवनजे पिबेत् रात्रौ रस अशितः वादग्नसाधितं सर्पिः कर्णस्विन्नं च पूरयेत् पत्राणां पृथक् अश्वत्थ विल्व अर्क एरण्डजन्मनां तैलसिन्धूतदिग्धानां स्विन्नानां पुटपाकतः रसैः कवोष्णैः तत्त्वश्च मूलकस्य Aralorapi. So, this is the treatment for Vadaja Karnashula. This is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. So, Karnashule Pavanaje Pibed Ratrau Rasa Ashidaha Vadagna Sadidam Sarpihi. So, Karnashule Pavanaje, that means in Vadaja Karnashula, Pibed Ratrau Rasa Ashidaha Vadagna Sadidam Sarpihi. Ratrau Pibed Sarpihi. How? Which drug we have to make that sarpi? Vadagna sadidam, Vadagna aushadam. We have to select Vadagna aushadam and make sarpi or krita with that. And when we have to do, we have to ask the patient to have rasa ashidaha. Rasa ashidaha means mamsa rasa ashidaha, mamsa rasa bojitaha. So the patient should have mamsa rasa, meat soup or meat in the food in the night. After that, he has to take Vadagna Sadidam Sarpihi, Krita prepared with Vadagna Aushadas. So, in Vadaja Karnashula, ask the patient to take Mamsa Rasa in the night, and after that, ask him to take the Sarpi prepared with Vadagna Aushadam. Karnasvinnam cha purayet. Then what you have to do? Then you have to do, that is for general, right? Next he is telling we have to give, if Karnashula is there, we have to give Svedana, Karnasvinnam cha purayet. After that, then what we have to do? Karna Puranam. With what we have to do Puranam? Karna Puranam means holding the medicine in the ear for a long time. Okay, we used to give Purana till this opening. Okay, we ask the patient to do the Purana. Usually we will give in our clinic. So Karna Svinnam. Before Purana, we used to give Svedanam. Svedanam in that localized Svedana around the ears. And then Purana can be done using Patranam, Pridak, Ashwatha, Vilva, Arka, Eranda Janmanam, Taila Sindhutha Digdanam, Svinnanam, Pudapagataha. Pradak means separately, or you can give it together or separately. So which all drugs we can take? Patranam, leaves we have to take of Ashwatha, Vilva, Arka, Eranda. And how we have to take Swarasa or Patranam? From that Swarasa we have to take. How to take Swarasa? After applying Taila and Sindhuta. Taila Sindhuta Digdanam. Taila and Sindhuta should be applied, and Svedana should be given for the given to the leaves. How you have to give Svedana? Pudapakataha. Pudapaga means how? Usually how you will do Pudapaka? Sharava Sampuda. Inside the Sharava we will we'll pack that with mud, and then we will burn that in charcoals, right? Like that you have to do in with the Pudapaga, with the only you have to take the Swarasa. Like that we have to give Svedana. After that we have to squeeze and take out that Swarasa and do Purana in the ears if they are having Vadaja Karnashula. Also, Rasaihi Kavoshnehi Tadvascha Mulakasya aralorapi. So rasaihi, how to pour rasa? Not too hot, no, not too cold. Kavoshnam, lukewarm. So we have to pour the swarasa into the ears, which is lukewarm. Rasaihi kavoshnehi tatvescha means also we can use mulakasya aralor api. Arala means shonaga. So any of this drug also we can take the juice of that and do karnapurana in case of vadaja karnashula. So in Karnashula, we have to ask the patient to have a mamsarasa. After that, we can ask the patient in the night and also ask him to take sarpi, which is prepared with vadagna aushadas. And then we can give a swinna, karna swedanam. Svedana can be given and purana can be given either with any one of these drugs, ashwatha, vilva, arka, eranda. That before that we have to apply oil and thaila sindutha digdehi, and with a cook using pudapaga method, then squeeze out the rasa and do karnapurana. Or we can use mulaga and aralo shonaga for this karnapurana. So rasa can be taken from these also. Next is another yoga for Karnapurana. Gane Vada Hare Amleshu Mutreshu Ja Vipajitaha Mahasneho Drutam Handi Sutivram Abhivedana. Gane Vada Hare Amleshu Mutreshu Ja Vipajitaha Mahasneho. So we have to prepare Mahasneha. Mahasneha means all the 4 types of Sneha. So all the 4 types of sneha you have to take. In that, which all drugs you have to take? Gane Vadahare. Vadahara Gana drug can be taken. Amleshu. Amla Dravya Gana can be mixed. And Mutreshu. All types of Mutra Varga. So that also you have to Vipajitaha. Do Paga along with Mahasneha. All the 4 types of sneha. And that if we do Purana, Drutam Handi, suddenly it will Handi reduce. So Tivram Abhivedana, if the pain is very severe also, if we are using this combination, then the patient will get relief very fast. So Gane Vadahara Dravya, Amla Dravyas and all types of Mutra along with the 4 types of Sneha, Mahasneho, then that preparation will give the result very fast. That also in very severe pain. Sutivram Abhi Vedana. Next yoga is Deepika Tailam. Deepika Taila Mahataha Panjamulasya Kashtat Shaumena Veshtitat Taila Siktat Pratiptagrat Snehaha Sadyu Ruchapaha. So Mahadaha Panjamulasya Kashtat Shaumena Veshtitat. Mahadaha Panjamulasya, which all are the Mahat Panjamulas? Mahat Panjamula and Legu Panjamulas are there, right? Mahat Panjamulas are Vilva, Agnimantha, Shonaka, Padala and Gambhira. So any one of these drug can be taken. Mahadaha Panjamulasya Kashta. Kashta means piece, wooden piece. Shaumena Veshtida. Shaumena Veshtida means you have to cover a piece of this, any one of this Mahadaha Panjamula, and cover that with cloth. Taila Sikta Pradita Grat. Taila Siktam, and you have to put that in oil. And then what you have to do? Pradipta Agrat, then burn the end. Snehaha Sadhu Ruchapaha. Snehaha. This the oil falling from that should be collected, and then we have to do Karnapurana with that. That Sadhyaha Ruchapaham, that will reduce the pain. This is mostly we usually use this yoga. Okay, so Mahadaha Panjamulasya Kashta Shaumena Veshtidam. So any one of Mahada Panjamula wood should be taken and covered with a silk cloth, and then you have to dip that in oil. Thylam means Tila Thaila, and after that you have to burn the end, and the oil dripping from that should be collected, and that can be used for Karna Purana. That is one yoga. Deepika Thailam. And the same method you can use for another drugs also. Yojayescha evam Bhadrakashtat Kushtat Kashtascha Saralat. So Yojayascha Evam, the same method can be taken here also. Bhadraka Bhadrakashtat Devadaru Kashtat Kushtat Kushtakashtascha Saralat. So Sarala, Kushta and Devadaru, these would also we can do like Mahat Panchamulas, like they can be wrapped with a cloth and they has to dip in the oil, and then you have to burn the end, and the dripping oil should be collected and used for Karna Purana in case of Vadaja Karna Shula. So that is Deepika Tailam. Next comes Vadavyadi Pradishyaya Vihidam Hidamatrascha. So Vadavyadi Pradishyaya Vihidam Hidamatrascha. Here we can do Vadavyadi Chikilsa or Vadiga Pradishyaya Chikilsa also. In Vadaja Karnashula, if the patient is having the Vadaja Karnashula Lakshanas, then we can do the treatment mentioned for Vadavyadi. Vadavyadi for Vadaja dosha mitigation. We can use Vadavyadi Chikilsa or Vadaja Pradishaya Chikilsa also here. Varjaye Shiraso Snanam Shida Ambapanam Ahanyapi. So this is like Patya. Varjaye Shiraha Snanam. So if we are getting a Karna Roga patient, then ask them to not to do Shira Snanam, head bath. Snanam Shida Ambaha Panam Ahanyapi. Shida Amba, cold water. Not to drink cold water even in daytime. So Shida Amba Panam Ahanyapi. That means Ratrautu Sarvada Varjyam Eva Ityartaha. Shida Jalapanam Divam Abhi Nakaryam. Ratrautu Sarvada Varjyam Eva Ityartaha. So cold water should not be taken in daytime and night time, and Shirasnana, head bath also should not be done. This is Patya. So that's about Vadaja Karna Shula. So Vadaja Karna Shula, if we are getting a Vadaja Karna Shula patient, we have to give Sarpir with a Vadaknam Aushadam. Before that, ask them to take Mamsarasa, and then after that only they have to take this Vadakna Sadidam Sarpihi. Then Karna Purana with some patras, and are mentioned also Deepika Taila, the formulation which is prepared with Mahadha Panjamula or Devadaru or Kashta and Sarala. Any one of this can be given, and also you can give Sweda outside the ears also before doing Karna Purana. So all these are also Vadavyadi Chikilsa and Vadaja Pradishaya Chikilsa can also be given in Vadaja Karnashula. So next comes Pittaja Karnashula Chikilsa. Pittashule Siddhayukta Kridasnigdam Virejayed Draksha Yeshtisridam Stanyam Shasyade Karna Puranam. So here also Karna Purana is mentioned. Before that, Snehapana and Virejana. Pittashule Siddhayukta Kridasnigdam Virejayed. So first you have to give Snehapana with what? Siddhayukta Krita. Krita mixed with Siddha, sugar. That should be given for Snehapana. After Snehapana, you have to give Virejanam. Then Draksha Yeshti Sridam Stanyam Shasyade Karna Puranam. Karna Purana should be done with Draksha Yeshti Sridam Stanyam. Draksha and Yeshti in what? Stanyam, breast milk. You have to take breast milk and mix that with Draksha and Yeshti and do Karna Purana in case of Pittaja Karna Shula. So first Snehapana should be given with the Krita, that is prepared with Siddha or sugar, and then Virejana can be done, and Karna Purana can be done with the Draksha, Yeshti and Stanya. Yeshtyadi Tailam is another yogam. Yeshti Ananda Hima Ushira Kaguli Rodra Jiva Kaihi Mrinala Bisa Manjishta Shariba Pischa Sadayed Yeshti Madura एष्टी मधुरसप्रस्थक्षीरद्विप्रस्थसंयुतं तैलस्य कुडवं नस्यं पूरण अभ्यञ्जनैरिदं निहन्ति शूलदाहोषा केवलं शौद्रम् एव वा एष्टी अनन्ता हिमा उशीरा काकोली रौद्रा जीवका मृणालबिसा मञ्जिष्ठा शारिपाभिश्च साधयेत् एष्टीमधुरसप्रष्टम्. So eshti madhu eshti kashaya rasa prastha one prastha eshti madhu kashaya should be taken. In that two prastham shiram du prastha samyudam, so two prastha shira should be added. Tailasya kudavam, one kudava taila should be added, and these drugs are added there, that is the kalka. Eshti ananda hima ushira kaguli rudra jivaka mrinala bisa lotus stem manjishta sharibabhischa sadayat. All these drugs is mixed with one prastha ishtimadurasa and two prastha kshira and one kudava taila, and this preparation, that taila preparation can be used for nasya karnapurana abhyanga. Nasya purana abhyanjaner idam nihanti shula daha osha kevalam shaudrameva va. This combination can be used in condition where there is shula daha and usha, and kevalam shaudrameva va. In this condition we can give purana or nasya or abhyanjana with the kshaudram evasta. Only kshaudra also we can do Puranam. So only with honey also we can do Puranam. So this is Eshtiyadi Taila Yoga. Eshti Ananda Hima Ushira Kaguli Rodra Jivakam Mranala Bisa Manjishta Shariba. All these things you have to take kalka and mix with one prastha Eshti Madhu rasa and two prastha kshira and one kudafa taila, and taila is prepared and used for nasya, purana and abhyanka. And also in this place this is indicated in case there is shula, daha and usha. Only kshaudra can also be used in this condition. यष्ट्यादिभिश्च सकृदैः कर्णोदिह्यान् समन्ततः. Yashtyadibhischa, what is mentioned before in Yashtyadi Taila, there is a lot of drugs, Yashti, Ananda, Sharipa, Kakuli, all those things. So Yashtyadibhischa Sakhridehi, all those drugs mixed with Krida, Karneur Dihyat Samantadaha. Karneur Dihyat means externally we can apply around the ears. So Yashtyadibihi, all those drugs mixed with the Krida can be applied around the Karno Dihyan Samantadaha. Around the Karna you can apply this text. Ishtadibihi Purvoktehi Sarpisher Karnoscha Parido Lipeda Lepana. You can apply it over around the ears. So that is about Pittaja Karnashula Chikilsa. So Pittaja Karnashula, you have to give Snehapana and then Virejana and Purana. Snehapana should be done with the Krita mixed with the Siddha means sugar, and also Virejana can be done, and after that Purana can be done with the Eshti and Eshti Draksha can be used for this Purana, Karna Purana. And Eshtiyadi Taila Yoga is mentioned. Eshtiyadi Taila Yoga can be given in that condition. That is for Karna Nasya, Purana and Abhyanka. And also only Kshaudra can also be used in this situation. And also Ajay mentioned that Eshtiyadi Taila, some drugs are mentioned, Eshti, Ananda, Sharipa and all that can be mixed with Krita and applied around the ears. That can also be done. So that is a Lebana Yoga. This is Pittaja Karnashula Chikilsa. So I think Vadaja Karnashula Chikilsa and Pittaja Karnashula Chikilsa you understood. Next comes the Kaphaja Karnashula Chikilsa. Vamayet Pippali Siddha Sarpihi Snigdam Kafotbhave Dhumanavana Gandusha Svedan Kuryat Kafapaham. Vamayet Pippali Siddha Sarpihi Snigdam Kafotbhave धूमनावन गंडूषा स्वेदान कुर्यात् कफापहम्. So Vamana should be done after Snehapana. That is Pippali Siddha Sarpihi Snigdam. Pippali Siddha Sarpihi. So the Krida is prepared with the Pippali. Pippali Siddha Sarpihi Snigdam. Snehapana should be done. And after that Vamana Vamayed Kafotbhave. Then what all things can be done? Dhumapanam, Navanam and Gandusha and Svedana should be given Kuryat Kafapaham with Kafagna drugs or Kapha mitigating drugs. We can Kapha reducing drugs. We can do Dhumapanam, Navanam, Gandusha and Sveda. So in Kafaja Karnashula we can do Vamana. Before that we have to give Snehapana using Pippali, and then you can go for Dhumapana, Gandusha, Navana or Svedana with Kabahara drugs. Next comes a Leshunadi Karnapurana Yoga. Leshuna Ardraga Shikrunam Murunkya Mulakasyascha Kadalyaha Swarasaha Srishtam Kadushnaha Karnapurane. Leshuna Ardraga Shikrunam Murunkya Mulakasyascha Kadalya Swarasaha Srishtam Kadushnam Karna Puranam. So this is a Karna Purana Yoga for Kafaja Karnashula. Leshuna, Ardraga, Shigru, Muringa, Mulaka and Kadali. All this we can take Swarasa and we can do Karna Purana. Leshnadina Pridak. Separate we can read Swarasaha. Karna Purane Koshnaha Sreshtaha. Lukewarm is good for Karna Purana. So that should be done. Leshna, Ardraga, Shigrunam, Shugru and Murunga is different varieties of drumstick. Mulagasyascha, Kadali, banana stem or banana flower, that Swarasa. All this can be used for Karna Purana in Kafaja Karnashula. Next yoga. Arkangura Amla Pishtam Tailaktam Lebanon Vidan Sannidaya Snuhikande Koride Taschad Avradan Svedayed Pudapagena Sarasaha Shulachit Param. Arkangura Amla Pishtam Tailaktam Lebanon Vidan Sannidaya Snuhikande Koride Taschad Avradan Svedayed Pudapagena Sarasaha Shulachit Param. So here Arka you all know, right? Arkangura means tender leaves of Arka. Amla Pishtam, Tailaktam. So you have to take the Arka, the tender leaves of Arka, then Tailaktam, apply Taila, and Amla Pishta with sour liquid you can make a paste. Lebanon with them, add that Levana into that. Sannidaya Snuhi Kashte, then Snuhi Kashta, cactus stem you have to take and you make a hole inside. The content should be taken out. And Sannidaya Snuhikande Koride Taschad Avradan. After that Koride, you have to put these content Arkanguram, the tender leaves which is made into paste after applying Taila and added with Levana, that you have to fill into this Snuhikanda, this cactus stem you have to fill, and Taschad Avradan, and then it should be tied externally with this Snuhi itself. Taschad Avradan, Snuhi leaf only you have to tie around that. Svedayed Pudapagena, then cook this thing in Pudapaga method, and that Swarasa should be taken, and that is good for Kafaja Shulajit Param, that can be used as Karna Purana in Kafaja Karnashula. So Arkangura Amla Pishtam Tailaktam Levanan Vidan Sannidaya Snuhikante Koride Taschad Avratan Svedayet Pudapagena Sarasaha Shulajit Param. So that is a treatment for another yoga for Kafaja Karnashula. So tender leaves of arka should be taken, and then you have to apply oil over that and do paste using amlas or liquids, and then mix with lavana and take a snuhikanta stem of cactus, and remove the content from that inside and fill this inside that and tied with the snuhi leaves only. And then you have to do svedana with the pudapaga method and take out this swarasa and do karnapurana in kavacha karna shula. रसेन बीजपूरस्य कपित्थस्य पूरयेत् सुक्तेन पूरयित्वा वा फेनेन अवचूर्णयेत्. So रसेन बीजपूरस्य कपित्थस्य पूरयेत्. Bijapura rasa and kapitha rasa can also used for karnapurana. Suktena purayet va. Sukta can also be used for purana. Fenena avachurnana. Avachurnana is dusting. Dusting. Fena means samudra fena. Samudra fena can be taken and then powder it into fine powder we have to make, and then you have to do dusting. How we usually do dusting is we usually take a paper and make it as a cone, and on the tip we used to keep this powder, and if you do dusting, simply tap on that, it will fall into that place or into the inside the ears. So like that avachurnana can be done with fena, that is samudra fena. So this is also a treatment for kapachakarna shula. So karna purana can be done with all these things, and bijapura rasa, kabita or sukta and all, and dusting acharya is mentioning to do with samudra fena. So this can be done. Ajavit, this is another yoga. Avi Mutra Vamshatvak Siddham Tailam Cha Puranam Siddham Va Sarshapam Tailam Hingu Tumburu Nagarehi. So here Aja Avi Mutram. So we have to take Aja Avi, that means sheep's urine or god's urine. Aja Avi Mutram. Vamshatvak. Vamsha is bamboo. Vamshatvak, the twak of Vamsha. Siddham Thailam Cha Puranam. Siddham Va Sarshabam Thailam. Siddham Thailam Va Puranam. Thailam means if we are mentioning Thaila only, then we have to consider Tila Thaila, or you can use Siddham Va Sarshabam Thailam, or you can use Sarshaba Thaila, and into that what you have to add? Hingu, Tumburu and Nagara. So dried Hingu, Tumburu and dried ginger can be added into that. So Aja Avi Mutra. So goats and sheep's urine in that Vamsha Tvaka. Bamboo skin should be put and make oil. You can use Tila Thaila or Sarshaba Thaila, and in that you should add Hingu, Tumburu and Nagara. Kalka, these should be taken as Kalka. So this is another yoga for Karna Puranam. So that is about Kapacha Karnashulam. Kapacha Karnashula, as usual in Kapha condition, Vamana should be given, and before Vamana, Snehapana, Pipali Siddha Sarpi should be used for doing Snehapana, then Vamana, then Purana with the different yogas. And also in Kapacha Karnashula, Acharya mentioned about Avachurnana. Avachurnana using Samudra Fena. Avachurnana is nothing but we have to powder it finely and do dusting over that area inside the ear. That is Avachurnana. And next comes Rektaja Karnashula. So Vadaja Karnashula over, Pittaja Karnashula over, Kapacha over, and now come the Rektaja Karnashula. Rektaje Pittavat Karyam Siram Cha Ashu Vimokshayet. So in Rektaja Karnashula, Pittavat Karyam. So the treatment can be given like Pittaja Karnashula. Rektaje Pittavat Karyam Sirancha Ashu Vimokshayet. Here we have to give Sira Mokshana also. Shikram Cha Sira Vimokshayet. Sannipadaja Karnashula. Pakve Puyavahe Karne Dhumagandusha Nabanam Yunjad Nadi Vidanam Cha Dushta Vranaharam Cha Yet. So when you learn the Lakshanas of Karnashula, you might have understood that in Karnashula Lakshana, Acharya Vakpada had mentioned other symptoms also. Along with Karnashula, there will be Srava, Karnasrava. In each Vadaja, Karnashula, how this Srava will be, Pittaja, how this Srava will be, what color, Rektaja, how it is, Sanipadaja, how it is. The Srava is also mentioned along with Karnashula, but in Susra Samhita, Karnasrava is mentioned as a separate disease. So here in Sanipadaja Karnashula, the treatment Acharya is mainly mentioning about the there in the lecture it is mentioned it is Puya Vaha, Puya Srava will be there. So here that Srava and Shula treatment are mentioning under the heading Sanipadaja Karnashula. Okay, so Pakve, if it is separated, Puya Vahe, it's a Puya Srava, thick Puya pus discharge, then Karne Duma Gandusha Navanam. Then what all should be given to Karna? Duma. Duma should be given. Gandusha and Navana can also be done. Yunchad Nadi Vidanam cha Dushta Vranaharam cha Yad. And also we can do here Nadi Vrana or Dushta Vrana Chikitsa can be given. I hope you had learned this Vrana Chikitsa in Shalya Tantra. So Dushta Vrana Chikitsa and Nadi Vrana Chikitsa can be given in Pakwa Puyavaha. Srava is there along with Karna Shula. So Duma Gandusha Navanam. Duma is given locally in the ears. So it is understood that maybe for the microbes and all to killing that we are giving. Why Gandusha and Navana is giving in this condition? Gandusha is gargling. So we'll hold the kashaya or medicated water in our mouth for a long time and then spit it out. And navana, nasya, why these two are giving here means if you learn the anatomy of the ear, you will understand that the eustachian tube is having a connection with middle ear and the nasopharynx. So if you are giving nasya dravya or gandusha, if you are doing, the medicine will get absorbed in that area, that mucus. So because of that, Acharya had given at that time itself Duma, Gandusha and Navana. So Pakve Puya Vahe Karne Numa Gandusha Navanam Yuncha Nadi Vidanam Cha Drushta Vranaharam Cha. That so Dushta Vrana Chikilsa, Nadi Vrana Chikilsa can be given in this condition. Srodha Pramrja Digdam tu Dau Kalu Pichuvardibihi Purena Dubeyitva tu Makshikena Prapurayet. Surasadik Ganakwada Fanidattancha Yojayet Pichuvartisu Sushmescha Tachurner Abachurnayet. Srodaha Pramarjya Digdam tu Daukale Pichuvartibihi. So in this condition there is a Puya Vaha, Pakwa Puya Vahe. So there is a thick mucus or a pus discharge is there. So what you have to do is Srodaha Pramarjya Digdam tu Daukalu Pichuvartibihi. So if there is discharge, what you have to do? You have to clean the canal. So Srodaha, that Karna Srodas, you have to clean. Using what? Pijuvardipihi. So using the cotton wick, you have to clean the srodas. Digdam to daukalu 2 times a day. So in the morning and evening 2 times you have to clean the karna srodas or ear canal. Purena Dubayitva tu. Purena means using Gugulu. Dubayitva, Dubana should be given. Then you have to give fumes or smoke of a Gugulu to the ear. So Purena Dubayitva. After cleaning Pramarjya using Pichuvarti, you have to give Dupanam fumes or into the ears. To Makshigena Prabhurayet. After that, what you have to do? You have to do Purana using Makshika and Surasadi Gana Kwada Fanidaktam Cha Yojayej Pijuvartihi. After that, you have to use Surasadi Gana Kwada. So, thick Kwada of Surasadi Gana should be prepared and this Pijuvarti should dip in that and apply it over the ear canal. Surasadi ganakwana fani daktam cha yojayet vijuvartihi susushmehi tat churnayet avachurnayet. Also, the same Gana Dravyas can be made into fine powder and do avachurnana in that area. So, dusting of this powder in that area will also cure this disease. So this is the treatment for Srava. If there is thick pus discharge is there, we have to do all these things. First, you have to clean the ears using cotton wick. Then you have to do Dubana using Purana, means Gugulu Dubana. And then you can do Makshika Prapuranam, Purana using Karna Purana using Makshigam. Then you can wipe those canal using Surasadi Kana Kwada. That also thick Kwada you have to use to wipe the canal. And then you have to do dusting. Sushmeshcha ava churnana can be done. Shula kleda gurutvanam vidir esha nivartayed. If there is shula, pain, kledatvam and gurutva, this treatment should be followed. Priyangu adi taila for karna puranam. Priyangu maduga ampashta दादक्य उत्पल पर्णिभिः मञ्जिष्ठा लोद्र लाक्षाभिः कपित्थस्य रसेनश्च पचेत् तैलं तदा स्रावं निगृह्ण्याशु पूरणात्. If there is Srava, then you have to do Karna Purana with these drugs after cleaning. So Priyangu, Maduga, Ambashta, Dadagi, Utpala Parnibihi, Manjishta, Lodra, Laksha, Kapitta Rasa. All these things, Pached Thailam. Thaila should be prepared with all these drugs and can do Purana. And with this, Nihanditat Puranat, Rageva Sravam Nirharati. So, with this Karna Purana, the Srava will get stopped. Ashu fast. So this is one yoga for Karna Srava. This Karna Roga Samanya Chikitsa. This is according to Susra Samhita. Till now we were learning the Chikitsa, Karna Shula Chikitsa according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Next comes the Susra Samhita reference. सामान्यं कर्णरोगेषु कृतपानं रसायनम् अव्यायामो अशिरस्नानं ब्रह्मचार्यम् अकथनम्. So सामान्यं कर्णरोगेषु, this is the treatment for all karna rogas. सामान्यं कर्णरोगेषु कृतपानं रसायनम्. So all the karna roga we can give Kritapana and also Rasayana. Rasayana, here two versions are there. Rasayanam ityartha, Rasa Ashanam idi kechit padanti. Some are mentioning it as Rasa Ashanam. Like in Ashtanga Hridaya it is mentioned, right? Rasa Ashanaha Kritapanam. Rasa Ashanaha, night. In the night, after Rasa Ashanaha, we have to give Krita, like that. Some add Kejit Padandi, some having opinion like that. So Kritapanam Rasayanam Avyayamo Ashirasnanam Brahmacharyam Akathanam. So Avyayamam, don't do any Vyayamam. Ashirasnanam, don't do head bath. Brahmacharyam Agathanam. Agathanam means Adi Abhashanam, don't talk much. So these all things should be avoided if there is a Karna Roga patient. So Samanyam Karna Rogeshu, any Karna Roga we have to give Kridapana and Rasayanam, Kridapanam, Rasayanam, Avyayamam. So don't go for any Vyayamam. Shirasnanam should not be done. Brahmacharya should be followed, and Abhashanam, don't talk much. So this is according to Susruta Samhita, Samanya Karna Roga Chikitsa. In Karnashulam, Karnashule Pranadescha Bahadidya Shvedayo Ravi Chadurnan Abhiroganam Samanyam Peshajam Viduhu. For all these four diseases, the treatment is same according to Susra Samhita. So Karnashulam, Pranadam, Karnanadam, Badiryam and Karnashveda. In all these conditions, the treatment is same. Snigdam Vadaharam Svedaner Naram Sneha Virejanam Svedaneridam Sneha Virejitam Nadi Sveder Upacharet Pinda Sveder Tatevascha. Snigdam Vadaharehi Sveder Svedaneridam Sneha Virejitam. So Sneha Vadahara drugs. Using Vadahara drug, you have to prepare Sneha and do Sneha Pana. Then you have to give Sneha Virejana. Sneha Virejana means with any Sneha, Eranda Taila and all we can give. And then you have to do Nadi Sveda Upacharet Pinda Sveda Tadevascha. Nadi Sveda or and Pinda Sveda can be given according to the condition. So Sneha Vada, using Vadahara Dravya, we have to prepare Sneha and ask them to take that one. Sneha Virejana, that is Eranda Tailadi and all can be used. Then Sveda. Sveda, two types of Sveda is there. Nadi Sveda and Pinda Sveda. From the term itself, you know, right? Nadi Sveda is a Svedana given through the pipe or Nadi, and Pinda Sveda is we prepare a bolus with some medicines, and you have to give Svedana using that. So the drugs which are used for doing Nadi Sveda in Karnarogas are Bilva Eranda Arka Varshabu Daditho Unmatha Shigrubihi Basta Gandha Ashwagandhapyam Tarkari Eva Venubihi Aranala Sruderepir Nadisveda Prayojitaha Kapavada Samuthanam Karnashulam Nirasyadi. So in Karnashula, which is caused by Kapha and Vada, we have to use these drugs for Nadi Sveda. So Bilva, Eranda, Arka, Varshapu, Unmata, Shigru, Dadi, Bastagandha, Ashwagandha, Tarkari, Yava, bamboo, all those things you have to Aranala Sruder Abhinadi Svedam Prayojitaha. Aranala, rice water, in rice wash, you can mix all these drugs and you can give Nadi Sveda using Nadi pipe. You have to boil this rice water using with all these drugs, and the steam which is coming should be given in Karna. That is Nadi Sveda. So this can be given in Kaphavada condition. Kaphavada Karnashula, we can give this Nadi Sveda. And Pinda Sveda can be given with Meena Kukkuda Lavana Mamsaje Payasa Abiva Pindehi Svedam Cha Kurvida Karnashula Nivaranam. So here Meena Kukkuda Lavana. So Meena fish, Kukkuda hen, lava bird, and all these things. Mamsa should be taken. Meat of all this can be taken. Payasa Abiva and mix with what payasa? Payas milk. We have to mix all these things with milk, and that Pinda Svedam, that bolus, using that you have to give Svedana in the Karna region. That will also reduce the Karna Shula. Then Deepika Taila reference according to Susruta Samhita. Here Acharya Susruta is mentioning it into more proper way how and more clearly it is mentioned in Deepika in Susruta Samhita. So Deepika Tailam Mahadaha Panchapulasya Kandam Ashtadasha Angulam Shaumena Veshtya Samsvichya Tailena Deepaye Tadaha Yet Tailam Chevade Tepyo Tridepyo Bhajana Upari Nyam Tad Deepika Tailam Sadhyo Grahanadi Vedanam. So in Karnashula, you can give this Deepika Tailam. So Deepika Taila, like mentioned in Ashtanga, here also Mahadaha Panchamulasya, Mahat Panchamulas, that 5 Panchamulas can be taken. Kandam Ashtadesha Ankulam. So Kandam means that wood can be taken. Ashtadesha Angulam. Ashtadesha 8 Angula. Ashtadesha Angulam. Ashtadesha Angulam means 18 Angula length you have to take. Shaumena Veshtya. Shaumena Veshtya means you have to cover that with a silk cloth. Samsichya Tailena Deepaye Tadaha. Then Samsichya Tailena, you have to dip that in Taila for some time. Deepaye Tadaha, and then you have to burn it. Yet Tailam Chevade Tepyo, the water not water, the Thailam which is dripping from that. While burning, the water will be, not water, sorry, oil will be dripping from that, that wood piece. That should be collected. Dridepyo Bhajana Opari. It should be, the end should be burnt, and Deepayeta burnt, and you have to keep that over a bhajana vessel, and this oil after burning it should drip into the vessel. Neo tad Deepika Thailam, that is known as Deepika Thailam Sadhyo Grahanati Vedana. Vedana will go fast. So what you have to do is take 18 angula kanta, that is wood piece of Mahataha Panjamahat Panjamulas, and then you have to wrap that with Shaumena Veshtya, with a silk cloth, and then you have to dip that in oil for some time. Then you have to take and burn the end and keep over a vessel. The oil dripped while burning is collected in a vessel, and that is used for Karna Purana. That oil is known as Deepika Thailam. कुर्याद् एवं भद्रकाष्ठे कुष्ठे काष्ठे च सरले मदिमान् दीपिका तैलं कर्णशूल निर्वहणम्. So kuryad evam bhadrakashte. Here also Acharya is mentioning bhadrakashte. Devadaru, kushta and sarala kashta can be, wood piece can be used instead of mahatpanja mulas for karna shula. So this is the Deepika Taila mentioned in Susruta Samhita. So this is the treatment of Karnashula. Kavadaja, Pittaja, Kabaja, Rektaja and Sannipataja Karnashula along with the Deepika Taila yoga is mentioned. So I hope you all understood the treatment for Karnashula. Thank you.